If you're dealing with the not enough RAM error in Arena Breakout, here are 8 steps to help fix the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Restart your device. First, restart your device. This clears temporary data and frees up RAM, which might be enough to resolve the error. Step 2. Close background apps. After restarting, close any background apps. The fewer apps running, the more memory is available for Arena Breakout. Step 3. Lower graphics settings. Next, lower the in-game graphics settings. Reducing the quality helps decrease RAM usage and makes it easier for your device to run the game. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of both Arena Breakout and other apps. Go to your device's settings and remove temporary files to free up more RAM. Step 5. Enable developer options. Enable developer options on your device and limit background processes. This ensures that your RAM isn't overloaded by unnecessary tasks while gaming. Step 6. Use virtual RAM. If supported, enable virtual RAM or swap space on your device. This allows your device to use storage as extra RAM, providing a memory boost. Step 7. Update your software. Ensure both the game and your device are running the latest updates. Developers often optimize RAM usage in newer versions. Step 8. Factory reset. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. This wipes everything, clearing out any hidden issues affecting your RAM. Be sure to back up your data before doing this. By following these 8 steps, you should be able to fix the not enough RAM error in Arena Breakout. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any other tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!